Alright, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will cover a range of topics you can write about in your blog. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Lesson 3. Blog Topics. Coming up with blog ideas can be daunting, especially if you're not used to creating content on a regular basis. However, once your content starts to grow, you can recycle your old content by expanding the subject more, or injecting new and up-to-date information. Here are some post ideas that can help you get started. Current trends or news in your industry. Interview an expert or leader. Listicles. Pros and cons. Point out common mistakes that users make. How-to tutorial posts. Write a series. Guest posts from industry leaders. Guides to buying the right product. Answer frequently asked questions. Beginner's guides for products. Comparison of similar products. Feature a customer success story. The big advantage of having these blog ideas is that it can be built upon one another. For example, a post answering frequently asked questions shared on social media will invite more questions in the comments. When you have enough questions, you can create a second post. Remember that the key to attracting customers is by creating interactions. Customers love to engage in content that relates to them, so make sure that you're creating engaging content by involving them. A good example is by asking them a specific question at the end of each blog and encouraging them to share their thoughts. Blogging can be pretty intensive, especially if you plan to post several times a week. Fortunately, there are a lot of organizational tools to keep you organized, and so you can strictly follow your content calendar. Tools like Trello, Asana, as well as scheduling tools like Sprout Social and CoSchedule help you to keep on track and stay on schedule. The duration for creating content really depends on the person who's writing. For some, they prefer to write their posts one at a time according to their posting schedule. Others, however, prefer to dedicate 1 to 2 days a month to write blogs in bulk so that they can publish posts from their cache. Sadly, some business owners feel that they have too much on their plate and simply don't have the time to create a blog. This results in some businesses not making a blog at all. However, don't make this an excuse to miss out on such a powerful resource. If you don't have the time to blog yourself, consider outsourcing to a freelance writer. They possess the right writing skills, as well as the time dedicated to creating content on a high standard. There are a lot of freelancing platforms where you can find the right writer for you. And if a long-term relationship is established, you can get all of your content done without having to hire a new person every time. Many companies have utilized outsourcing and have proven to produce great results. It's no secret that a lot of companies make the most out of their blogs by monetizing them. The most common way to earn money from your blog is by displaying ads on your site. You can earn by the number of views or clicks it receives. This generally works best for high-traffic sites that have thousands of visitors each day. However, it's important to consider how the ads should be displayed, as it might affect your readers' enjoyment and reading time. A more subtle approach to earning money is by the use of affiliate links. You use affiliate links to endorse brands that are relevant to your industry and that you personally recommend using. To create your own affiliate link, you have to reach out to a company and join their partner program if available. Once you applied for the program, they will provide you with a unique link ID that you include in your blog posts. When a reader clicks this link and buys the product, you receive a commission. Like ads, affiliate links work best for large blogs, so this might be something to put on hold right now. However, don't refrain from using it, especially when you're writing posts about specific products. Blogging can be time-consuming and demands creativity as you constantly think of ways to reach your customers. This might seem to be a stumbling block for others, but once you've got through the learning curve, you'll surely reap the rewards of blogging. Consistent content can double or even triple your website traffic and will help establish your brand voice that customers can trust. So what are you waiting for? Start blogging today